Mastering I Remember. Unlock the nuances in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as simple as it is profound. I remember. Stick with us as we explore the many facets of remembering in English. Whether it's a language exam, a conversation with a friend, or your personal diary entry, mastering the use of I remember will add depth to your English expression. Let's get started. The phrase, I remember, is used when you want to express that something from the past is being recalled in your mind. It's not just about the fact that you recall it, but it often implies that the memory has some kind of significance for you. It's a bridge between past experiences and the present moment. When we use I remember, we're doing more than just stating a past event. We're bringing it to life in the present. It's also worth noting that remembering can be both voluntary and involuntary. You might say, I remember my first day of school, when sharing stories, or I remember to water the plants, as part of a routine. Personal reflections. I remember when we met. This use often has a nostalgic or sentimental tone. Responsibilities. I remember to lock the door. Here, it's about recalling tasks or obligations. Sharing information. I remember reading about that. Use it when you're bringing up facts or information previously learned. Giving advice. I remember the time I faced a similar problem. You can offer wisdom based on past experiences. Be careful not to confuse I remember with I remind. The former is about your own memory, while the latter is about causing someone else to remember. Another common error is using I remember with something that you do regularly. Instead, use I remember for specific instances and I am reminded for regular occurrences. We'll go through a few exercises to practice using I remember. Think about different events, facts, or tasks, and try using the phrase with them. For example, describe a cherished memory. I remember the day I graduated. Discuss a learned fact. I remember learning about gravity in school. Remind yourself of a habit or task. I remember to exercise every morning. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you grasp the importance and use of I remember in your daily English usage. If you remember these tips, you'll surely enhance your communication skills. Keep practicing, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.